Welcome back to my channel Score and Shine. In this video, I'll be telling you all about sesame. Scientific name of sesame is Sesamum indicum and it belongs to the family Pedaliaceae. It is called as the queen of oilseeds because of its high resistance to oxidation and rancidity, and it is one of the oldest oilseed crops known, and it is called as the symbol of immortality in the sense which lasts forever, and it is the short day plant where day length less than 10 hours is enough for its growth, and the inflorescence you can see is raceme and the fruit is capsule which bursts open only when the seeds are completely ripened, and the bursting of capsule when the seeds are ripened is called as dehiscence, and capsule protects the seeds of the sesame. And next is oil content. Oil content in sesame is 50 to 60%, which contains high amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids, and the linoleic acid content is nearly 37 to 47%, and sesame oil contains antioxidative agents such as sesamin, sesamolin, sesamol, and it also contains sesaminol glucosides and tocopherol. All this helps the oil to be very stable, and sesame oil has the longer shelf life, and hence it has the longer shelf life, and it is called as the butter of the Middle East and poor man's substitute for ghee. And the protein content you can find is 18 to 20%, and the seed rate required is for raw sowing 3 to 4 kgs of seeds per hectare, and for broadcasting 4 to 5 kgs of seeds per hectare is required, and the spacing required is 30 into 10 centimeter. And sesame is highly drought tolerant, but it is intolerant to waterlogging, and the critical stages for irrigation, nutrient management, and for growth is 4 to 5 leaf stage, flowering stage, and capsule formation stage. And the important varieties are Gujarat till 1, 2, 3 and 10, RT46, Pratap, TC25, Purva, Kovan, Gauri, Madhavi, and Chandana. Gauri, Madhavi, and Chandana are highly recommended for growing in Andhra Pradesh, and these are the important varieties of Andhra Pradesh. And Kovan is highly recommended for Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat till 1, 2, 3, 10 and Purva are mostly grown in Gujarat and recommended to grow in Gujarat. And the average yield you can obtain is 5 to 7 quintals per hectare. Now let us see about the important insect pests and diseases of sesame. In insects, deadhead hawk moth or sphinx moth is one of the most major pests of sesame, which is scientifically called as Acherontia stix, where the caterpillar feeds on the leaves and defoliates the plant. This deadhead hawk moth feeds on the young plant as well as the grown-up crops too. And the next is leaf webber or roller and capsule borer, which is scientifically called as Antigestra catalonalis, where the larvae web the leaves together and feed them, and at flowering stage larva feeds on the flower, and during the capsule formation stage it also feeds on capsule. Later on, when the sesame seeds are developing, larvae also bores into the capsule and feed the developing seeds too. And the next is budfly and gallfly. Budfly Dicynura sesame and gallfly Asphodyllia sesame, both the budfly and gallfly's maggots feed inside the floral bud, and gallfly maggot bores into the floral buds, and it leads to the formation of the gall-like structure which does not develop into the capsule. And the next is leaf hopper Oraceus albicinctus, which is the vector for transmitting the sesame phyllodes. Both the nymph and the adult of the leaf hopper suck the sap of the tender parts of the plants, which leads to the curling of the leaf edges and turns brown, and finally the leaves dry and drop. And now let us see about the important diseases. Cercospora leaf spot, which is caused by the Cercospora sesame. Initially you can find small angular spots all over the leaves, and in severe stages they start developing into deep lesions, and deep lesions are formed which leads to the drying of leaves and fall. And the next is bacterial blight, which is caused by the Xanthomonas campestris patavus sesame. Initially water-soaked small spots which is irregular are formed, and in severe stage leaves dry and brittle. And here comes the important disease in sesame is Sesamum phyllodes, which is the Phytoplasma disease. In this, the floral parts are transformed into green leaf-like structures, and it leads to the vein clearing. And finally, the plant looks like witch's brooms, which does not allow to form flowers and the capsules too, and hence it leads to the destruction of the entire field. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you're watching for the first time, and don't forget to click the bell icon too. You can also join to my Telegram channel Score and Shine. I'll keep the link of the Telegram channel in the description. You can go check it out there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.